So battery's okay, fuses are all okay, keys okay, ignition's okay, bike won't start. On the ST1100 Pan European, I had this problem. I tipped the bike previously, and I know the tilt centre resets itself after switching it on and off, so I couldn't trace it. Everything was fine, and then I also tried the side stand kill switch, and then I found these two connectors. The bottom one had come loose. Replaced them, and it started. So let's have a check of them. You never know.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.